22 fascinating facts about Sundar Pichai. Pichai's full name is Pitchai Sundararajan. He was born in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India on June 10, 1972. He is an alumnus of Wharton Business School, Stanford University and Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Mr. Pichai worked at consultant McKinsey & Co. before Google. He was first interviewed at Google on April 1, 2004, the same day that the company launched Gmail. He is widely credited for making the Google Chrome browser. When Pichai had almost considered Microsoft, Google reportedly negotiated to retain him for $50 million a year in stocks. Sundar Pichai took over the Android business from that group's founder, Andy Rubin. He managed the market-leading smartphone operating system globally, and a year after taking over Android, Google shipped 1 billion devices. He was appointed CEO of Google in November 2015. Before taking over as CEO, Pichai was in charge of product and engineering at Google's internet businesses. Android One, Pichai's pet project designed to provide affordable smartphones in all households worldwide, launched in India in September 2014. Sundar Pichai was widely seen as a potential successor to Microsoft CEO Steve Ballmer before Satya Nadella took over in February 2014. In an interview to the New York Times last year, Pichai told he lived in a kind of modest house, shared with tenants. He and family would sleep on the living room floor. Pichai's family once lacked resources to buy even basic things like a refrigerator. Pichai told the New York Times he was a voracious reader as a boy. I had a lot of time to read. I was processing a lot. As reported by Bloomberg, citing his colleagues, Pichai tends to walk out of meetings only to return with solutions to whatever problems are being discussed. Like most Indians, Pichai too loves cricket. In school, he was the cricket team captain. In fact, not just cricket, he is a fan of soccer too. Pichai loves to play chess, has a sweet tooth and loves kheer. His first mobile phone ever was a Motorola StarTAC in 1995. As per reports, his net worth is $600 million, close to 43,200 crore rupees. His wife Anjali fell in love with him at IIT Kharagpur while they were studying together. He has two children, Kavya and Kiran. He was interested in electronics, though he did B.Tech in metallurgy from IIT Kharagpur. He has a phenomenal memory and remembers phone numbers he hears.